In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track landing page views and conversions on Systeme.io. If you want to understand how your landing page is performing, this is one of the most important places to check. Tracking views and conversions helps you see not only how many people are visiting your page, but also how many of those visitors are actually taking action, like opting in or making a purchase. That gives you a much clearer picture of whether your funnel is working effectively. To get started, log into your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage your pages, funnels, contacts, and overall business activity. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Sites section in the menu and click on it. From there, click on Sales Funnels. This will take you to the area where all of your funnels are organized. If you have more than one funnel, take a moment to find the specific one you want to track. Go ahead and select that funnel so you can open its details. Once you're inside the funnel, the next thing you need to do is click on the Stats tab. This is the key section for measuring performance. In the Stats area, you'll see a graph along with a list of important metrics related to that funnel. Two of the main numbers you'll want to pay attention to are the number of page views and the number of contacts or conversions. Page views tell you how many times your landing page has been seen. This gives you a sense of how much traffic your page is getting. The contacts or conversions metric shows how many people completed the action you wanted them to take, such as submitting their information through an opt-in form or completing a purchase. By comparing these numbers, you can quickly get a feel for how well your landing page is converting traffic into results. For example, if you're getting a lot of views but very few conversions, that may be a sign that your page needs improvement. On the other hand, if both numbers are moving up together, that usually means your funnel is performing well. A good tip here is to check this Stats tab regularly, especially after making changes to your landing page, headline, call to action, or offer. That way you can measure whether your updates are helping or hurting performance. And that's how to track landing page views and conversions on Systeme.io. Once you know where to find these stats, it becomes much easier to monitor your funnel and make smarter marketing decisions.